Bro, come on. Come on, let's do it, bro. Oh, oh God. What's up, all y'all sexy beauties? It's your boy Danny, back with our first banger. Look, I'm gonna be posting every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7 Central Time. Every Tuesday and Thursdays. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Do not miss a freaking banger. Anyways, let's get to the fucking video. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace. We're gonna be doing a fake sneezing on strangers prank today. We're at Walmart, but we're gonna be going to like many fucking locations, all right? But I mean, we're gonna see what kind of clips we get out here. Hopefully they're all gonna be bangers. I'm only gonna be posting banger ass clips, you know what I'm saying? So like sometimes I can be in one spot for 4 fucking hours just trying to get that one fucking banger for y'all, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get banned everywhere, bro. This shit's crazy. And then a big shout out to the fucking Elk boys for starting this whole thing, you know? So yeah, the boys are fucking lit. Happy Dad Seltzers. Hopefully when it fucking comes to Texas, so I can be slugging them for the boys, huh? Oh God, that was a wet one. My bad, bro. I'm so sorry. And the dude's following us right now. Hurry up and show the camera in the back. No, don't be fucking nervous. Yeah. Huh?
What are you spraying in the bottle?
Water.
What a man is that?
I am the manager.
Yeah, right.
What? I am the manager.
Okay.
Yeah? Come on, bros. Come on, bro. Let's do it, bro. Hurry up and stay recording, bro. Like, the dude's gonna be coming, bro. It's fried. Come on, bro. Let's get lost. Oh, fuck, bro. He's coming. This guy's following us right now. And he's just behind us. You want me to go get manager with you? We can go together.
Yeah, let's go.
Huh?
Yeah, let's go right now. Let's go right now. You think it's funny, man?
No. And it was just a
What the hell
joke.
you playing jokes for?
That's my life.
Okay,
You know? I'm a troll by heart. Come on, let's do it.
excuse me, could you call a manager? This guy walk around spraying this water bottle.
Let's do it. Alright, well, we gotta go around.
We gotta go around.
Oh God, bro, causing fucking chaos. That's the first fucking clip of the day. Bro, come on. Come on, let's do it, bro. Hurry up. Let's do it, bro. Hurry up, bro. Let's get the fuck out of here, bro. You good? Make sure we record right, though. Let's get the fuck, bro. Oh God.
Over me.
Oh God, I'm so
Where's your
sorry.
mask?
I don't know, and I left it in the car.
Well, you just spit all over my back.
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so
Can you
sorry.
wipe it off with something?
Yeah, I will.
Right up here.
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm
Got
so
no
sorry.
manners.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, bro. Oh, I have allergies. Oh, oh God. I'm so sorry. Oh God. Oh God, I'm so sorry, man. I just have allergies. Huh?
What, you sprayed that or?
Yeah, that's just water.
Man, why you do that? Are you
And it was just a joke. Nah. Like, when I came around, I sneeze, I go, "Hutch," and I just spray it. Yeah. Nah, it's water.
Man, don't do that, man. That's not a good idea, okay?
Yeah. All right, brother, you have a good day. I apologize for that. Hey, man, that's gonna be the end for the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all stayed and watched throughout the whole fucking video, y'all are all fucking beauties. I fucking love y'all. Y'all gonna be family. I'm gonna be uploading every Tuesdays and Thursdays around, I would say, 7 Central Time. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, fucking share it to a fucking beauty, you know what I'm saying? And then turn on that notification bell because we're coming fucking crazy this year, man. All right, peace.